Hey guys, so I'm back finally. Thought I'd do a little update on what all's been going on, and try and do a couple things today. So we got our bed here. I'm gonna build a wall eventually to make this like a little bedroom with like gear selecting stations, and then this will be like a kitchen area, and then we got the furnace still over here. The walls are up higher. I'll probably start working on a second story here soon. Let's get this guy out. There we go. Need to figure out what is pushing this blue border out. Anyway, let's go run over here. I'll show you the front of this place at night. It looks pretty cool. But we got this guy. It's a bit bigger now. And the greenhouse over there working hard. Compost bins downstairs. I think this thing must have ran out of bulbs. Or room. One of the two. Wow. We're just gonna pick. Oops. Oh well. He can deal with that. See how much we can level up in this. 611783. Oh, 40,000 XP. Nice. Let's dump it into stamina. Lots of Rex. These are gonna get some XP, I bet. All right, let's see. 655. Destroy all. That was like 300,000, 350,000 XP. Let's dump one into that. Um, I do like fortitude, being able to survive a little better, and two more into health. Okay, I'm back now. So let's go. Oh yeah, I want to go outside. I don't know why he put these inside the basement. Why would you put compost bins inside? I don't understand him sometimes. Anyway, this is the front. What it looks like now. I threw some lights up, some torches. Try and give it a little more classic castle vibe. Let's go. I think we're gonna need stone, so let's go do some mining. Well, hi there. You try calling me? He isn't gonna answer. Or is he? Hey,
Howdy.
hi.
Hi.
Oh, there we go. I turned my headset up so now I can hear you. I thought an RG was coming to kill me.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm not really playing long. I just had to hop on to Gilbert, free comedian in Aladdin. Aw. Yeah, he was the little dude. Yeah, yeah. Um, no, I'm just hopping on because I wanted to make sure the Rexes Well, everything was breeding.
Oh,
Those snow,
I killed them all.
all that.
Got me to level like 90 something.
You can go kill the remaining ones that are in there.
I killed them all and then and then hatched a bunch of stuff and then just haven't looked at it since I hatched a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I just checked through. But don't kill all of them. You need
No,
to,
I kill everything that doesn't have a mutation.
and then you.
Then I just leave the mutations for you to deal with.
Okay, I appreciate that. Just yeah, let
Anyway,
me
what
do
do you think
that.
of this? What do you think I'm doing here? Let's come back in here real quick. This is my envision for this.
I think we should make it out of metal.
No, looks like a castle right now. Anyway, I'm gonna stop it right here. Okay,
Making a,
stopping it here so that this can be a nice big
yeah.
vaulted, like when you come in, it's just big vaulted opening, and then do the same on this side.
What if we moved it up like 2?
Do you see how much I just did?
Yeah.
I thought about moving it up one more, but then I was like, that's just taking a lot of space. I mean,
What else are we using the
I
space
mean,
for?
too high is good height.
Yeah, but like, w- what if we want to put a tech replicator under here?
No, Tep Replicator goes on the other side. I already have a plan.
What if? Okay,
Tech Replicator's going right here.
okay, that's fine. What if we
And I was going to leave this not walled
stopped?
off, so it has a railing.
What if we stopped right there on it, and then this all came up much higher, like maybe this height or so,
Why?
and then we could have an open window right there, a
Like,
big open window going up.
leave this one right here, this level, the same level, and then raise this level up.
No, I'm saying from here that way, delete. Let's
I've
see if
tried it. It will not work for me.
I think it's a setting you have to
Anyway, give me some
use.
Tranq stuff. Actually, Tranq darts will be fine. I have a Tranq gun.
Well, I'll give you arrows.
Oh, it'll hurt you less, but okay.
Why are you? Don't do it to me,
Now I want to show you something I figured out.
Dick.
I'll wake you right up.
Are you gonna handcuff me? Yeah. Oh God, you figured it out. Why did you add? For a minute, I thought you were gonna wake me up.
Oh, I have to find some stimulant. There we go. I found some. Don't. That was just rude.
What?
You pooped.
Guy's gotta poop when a guy's gotta poop.
So
I
how
hate
it?
you. I can't even go into my inventory.
Oh, okay. Bye.
I can fly though. Yeah. I think you should make this rounded. Okay. And then make it
Rounded?
stop. Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Make it round. Make it stop. Unlock me and I'll show you.
I don't know how.
Fucking asshole. Unlock.
I don't know how
Well, why'd you do it?
because it was funny.
Push and hold E on me.
Why would I do that? That'll just go into your inventory.
Because I'm gonna pass out from dehydration.
I can banish you. Cool. Don't do it.
Missed. Hi. Ow.
How did that not net you?
Kind of a dick
Oh,
move.
you are netted. Okay.
I hit your Sinnoh.
That's because you're rude.
Anyways, right there,
I'm eating some stim
right
berries.
there, there,
I netted you.
something like that. And this one, dick. Oh, you didn't move, or you didn't not move. I'm thirsty. Stop! What are you
You
doing? You
said
just made a hole.
you said you wanted this gone.
Well, yeah, but you made a hole.
There.
How did that not hit you?
I'm better than you. Do you mind?
Night.
What did I just break? I probably should stop using this gun.
Yeah, you broke that wall. Dick.
Have fun with your net. Just, would you stop shooting me?
Started it.
Just
How are
because I
you
wanted
not
to.
asleep?
I just wanted to show you my Tranq dart or the handcuffs because they're cool. Do you
How are you
mind?
not asleep?
Do you mind, sir?
Not particularly.
You broke my stuff.
You're not asleep yet. No, you are.
Stop breaking my stuff.
You started this. We're going over here. Oh, I can't. Damn it. How are you awake? I'm thoroughly impressed with that, not gonna lie to you.
It's a secret.
Secret that. Ouch. Shit, shit, shit. It's a good idea. Fly while I'm gonna be knocked out. Hopefully that was a male. Or... Oh, it was. Ooh. Or did I need a female? No, I need a male. Sweet.
Cool.
Cool. We're gonna have the perfect one. Dick. Subtle.
Where'd my handcuffs go?
You have them?
I don't actually.
Good. Hopefully they fucking broke.
Are you done tranking me?
Yeah. No, give me my Tranq darts back.
Mine now.
I pay more stuff than you. Give me my shit.
You know where to find me when you log back on to play.
Fair enough.
Do you mind, sir?
Wanted my shit back.
You're taking all of them.
Yeah, all of them were mine.
No, they weren't.
You awake yet?
No.
Mm, there. Alright. Talk to you later.
Goodbye.
No, you're goodbye. Shut up. How do I get out of here?
You push escape.